Brad Williams, XL Primed. Using drop, we're going to look at this with a different approach. And that approach is we have a list here. We have an average, max, and min. We have a header. Call this golfer round 1, 2, and 3 the header. We have this average, max, min, the footer. We have our data internally. Rows 1 through 12 is internal. I put this in here just so we can keep track. All we want to do is show the header in the internal data. How do we do that? We can just do this. You can go copy, control V, and mission accomplished. All right. What's it going to do? It's going to just do exactly what we wanted. But if you want an internal or a different approach, we can use this drop function. I'm going to get rid of what I just did. F9, this is an F9 deal. And if you're not keeping track of why I do this, for no other reason, just to bug the heck out of you. Okay? Why? Because I like to see constant change. I want to know not only to help you, but also to see if Excel is working. You never know what the heartbeat is of this engine. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes, and recently, as of this recording, it seems as though Microsoft has been hacked. In other words, they have a DOS overload. This happened for the last 2 weeks. There was no availability. So, with that being said, if we need to just capture only the header and the internal stuff, we just hit drop -3. Now be careful here in the formula here. If you just capture B5, E19, you're going to lose this header. You have to be explicit here because you want to capture all of this data. It'd be a little more intricate here. Otherwise, if you're just capturing this stuff, capturing only the internals, and you hard-coded this round 1, round 2, it's common for me to hard-code this in, then I would use the B5, E19. And the output is everything excluding the average, max, min. Over here is a long write-up, pretty much what I just explained, but read it if you need it. In terms of what we're trying to do, it's just a drop. It should be called remove, but it's called drop. And -3 reflects starting from the bottom, moving up. I mentioned this drop. Drop is the worksheet. OneDrive is the Microsoft cloud computing that has been disrupted. Essentially, there was no access off and on for the past couple of weeks. Again, you're putting all your eggs in one basket. Be careful. Brad Williams, XL Prime.